Hi there guys, Emmanuel here from empowermentteam.org, and in this video I want to talk about affiliate marketing and affiliate marketing in 2021. Yeah? I'm filming this now at the back end of 2020. You know, we've had a difficult year with the COVID and all this sort of stuff, and this is why I think it's the best time to actually start thinking about this and also how you can use affiliate marketing in the year 2021 to escape the rat race. You know, things are going to change. We're going to move away from conventional work now. We're going to start moving online, I believe. And so it's the best time now for you to start positioning yourself to understand this stuff and to actually use it to start making some money so that you have choice. What affiliate marketing will give you in 2021, it will give you choice. It will give you the option as to whether or not you want to work in a conventional way or you want to work online. And that's the beauty of affiliate marketing. I'll go through it a little bit more. Firstly, I'm assuming you know a little bit about affiliate marketing, but if you don't, let me just explain it. What is affiliate marketing? What it is, in essence, is, you know, you're going to be a middleman. You find a niche. Find a niche and you find hungry buyers in that niche. Yeah, so let's just use weight loss as the example. So there's people that are desperate to lose weight. You know, that's your niche if you're going for weight loss. You know, they've for whatever reason, they're pulling their hair out. They're thinking, I really want to lose weight. I wish somebody would help me. I wish there was a product out there that would show me the way that other people are doing it. Other people are going from where they are to losing the weight that they need to. I wish somebody would help me with that, you know. And so then you then find the products that that person would need, that would help them. Because that's what you are. You help people with problems. Essentially, that's what affiliate marketing is. There's people out there that have all sorts of problems. You find a niche, whatever the niche is, weight loss, make money online, relationship and dating, mindfulness. There's loads of people out there that are in specific niches and they want help. You know, and that's in essence what you do. And then you sell them those products because they'll be happy to buy them. If somebody believes that you have a product that will help them to lose weight, they'll be happy to buy them off you, you know. And the good thing about these products that you go out there and you find is they've already been created by someone else. Yeah, so they've actually done all the hard work for you. That's why affiliate marketing is such a beautiful model, because you don't need to worry about that sort of side. You don't need to worry about putting products together and web pages and sales pages and customer service and all that sort of stuff. That's all been done for you. You know, your main thing is just to find the people, the hungry buyers, and show them the product that's already been done. And the product creators, the beautiful thing is that if you get a sale, they'll give you half of the commission, 50%, even sometimes more, but minimum 50%. And I say to people, use digital products because the commissions are so much higher and you don't have to store nothing. It's not like drop shipping where you got to go and store things in your house and all this sort of stuff. It's all online, it's all digital. All you need is a laptop, which is the beauty of it and why it's going to get that way, because this is what we do now. This is what most people do. We have laptops, we have mobile phones that are in essence computers. So we do mostly everything online, and then you just make money that way. You find the hungry buyer, you find the products, and there's loads of places out there, and you just connect the two. In essence, you're a middleman or you're a middlewoman. You know, that's why it's such a beautiful model, you know. Anyway, so I put it here in a picture form. You join some sort of affiliate program, and I'll tell you about the one that I personally promote because it teaches you all of this. It teaches you all of this: where to get the products, where to find the hungry buyers, the so-called traffic, how to promote them, how to build a list, all these things that you need. Do you know? So you join an affiliate program. And there's loads out there. You know, you can find them on places like ClickBank, JVZoo. There's loads and loads of places. On there you find the products. Products have already been done for you. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing, yeah. Then you promote the products. Yeah, by that, you know, when we say promote the products, the person that's already created the product has usually got a sales video to go with it. So you just get people to go and watch the sales video. You know, it's just beautiful. All right, and then you track the sales. By that really means you build a list. Ideally, that's the difference in 2021. You shouldn't just send people to an offer. You should try to get email addresses so that you can build a list, so you can make a relationship with these people. And we do what we call a value series. Again, I'll show you where you're going to learn all of this sort of stuff. And so you can build a relationship with them, and then they're more than happy to buy because they're looking for this anyway. You're helping them with a problem, and then you earn the money, like you earn the commission. Whatever they're buying, you earn 50% up to 100% of the commission. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful model. So here's your job. You get the people, the hungry buyers. We call it traffic online, but in essence, it's people. So if it's weight loss, you find the people that are online that are interested in losing weight, and they're all over the internet. Yeah, they're everywhere on the internet. You just need to know the places to go. You send them to what we call, this is the difference now in 2021. You don't just send them straight. You don't go straight from the traffic straight to the offer, because you're missing a step. People don't just buy like that. You know, even though they want to buy and they've got the problem, they still feel like, I'm not 100% sure. I need to know a little bit more about this person. I need to know that this person's not trying to scam me or con me in any way. I need to know that this product I'm going to buy has got value. I need to feel that there's a guarantee, and that the guarantee will be fulfilled if I decide I don't like it. You know, so you got to build that little bit of trust, and that's why you try to build a list. You build what we call an opt-in page. Most products, decent products, have an opt-in page already, which will help you build your list. Then after you've got the person on your list, that's when you send them to the sales video, to the offer or the sales page. And then when they buy is when you make the money, is when you make your commission. And that's the great bit, because you can be making commissions while you're asleep. You know, in the middle of the night. This is the internet. So whilst somebody in the other side of the world is looking at the sales video that you've sent them to, you're fast asleep, and you potentially can make $500, $1,000 commissions while you're asleep. I mean, it's an amazing model. So here it is again in picture form. This is you. You've got the offer. You're the middle person. You're telling this person about the offer, the weight loss product, the weight loss formula thing, the I don't know, supplements that they can take or something. And they're happy to then give you their money because you're helping them with a problem that they've had, and they've had for a while, and they're really trying to solve this problem. Yeah. So now, how can we earn more with affiliate marketing? This is the bit now. I want to help you to be able to actually earn more in 2021, giving you that choice as to whether or not you want to have this as a full-time income, you want to have affiliate marketing as full-time income, or as a part-time income, but just how you can make some extra money, say an extra $100, $500, $1,000, whatever it is. You know, it's up to you. Once you know how to do this sort of stuff, you then decide how much you want to put into it, how much effort you want to put into it. It's not get rich quick. I'm not teaching you any flashy formulas, but if you apply yourself a little bit, you can make, you know, whatever your income goal is, $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 a month. It's entirely up to you, you know. So how do we make more? The way we do that, we get more traffic. Yeah, you can get, I think the best way to get traffic is video marketing. I think that's the best way. And the actual program that I promote teaches you how to do that. They teach you how to get more traffic. They teach you all of these ways here. Facebook, free methods if you want to do free marketing. Video, free methods again if you want to do free video marketing. Bing ads, okay, that's a paid way. Social media, you know, Twitter, all that sort of stuff, free and paid. Forum marketing, free marketing again. All of this will be revealed to you. There's some amazing traffic videos in this program I'm going to tell you about in a second. Yeah, but in essence, what it's going to be showing you is that more traffic means more leads, which then means more sales. Imagine you're getting 100 people to the sales page or the sales video. If you now double that, that's now 200 people. The chances of you getting sales go up. It's just a natural thing. Imagine you've got a shop, and every day you get 100 people come in the shop, and you get a few sales from that. Imagine now you get 200 people in the shop. You're going to, you know, in essence, if it's still the same types of people that are still the same hungry buyers, then you should double your sales. You know, that's kind of how this works. And as 2021 approaches, it's easier to find these people because most people are online now. It's very, very easy. You know, most people are on their phone, so you can almost go straight into their world and tell them about these sort of products, you know. And when you have a good product that your audience actually want to buy, then it just turns into a numbers game. You know, like I said, you get the right types of people. You get, rather than 100 hungry buyers, you now get 200 hungry buyers. It's now you'll be doubling your sales, maybe even more as your marketing gets better and you learn the right way to market. So the more people in works out to the more dollars, the more sales, the more commissions for you, the more commissions that come out for you. So why is 2021 is going to be the best year for affiliate marketing? Is because most things, you know, due to what's happened in 2020 with the COVID and stuff like that, most people are now working at home. More people, I mean, Amazon took a massive spike when all this happened because people went online. You know, people are now a lot happier to buy online. You know, most things are done online now. You know, most offices are now home offices and stuff like that. So we're now exposed a lot more to the internet. Yeah, so the game done changed. That's what I said there. We're moving away from conventional jobs and we're moving more into marketing online. We more use our laptops to do things with our lives. These mobile phones are indispensable. We've all got them, you know, and these are little computers, you know, so you can actually get into people's worlds and tell them about things that they are actually having problems with so much easier now. You know, the money made in affiliate marketing as well is increasing year on year. It's now it's $1 billion industry since 2020, and it's just going up. It's almost the beginning. So this is it feels like it's been going for a while, but you're actually on the ground level. And with the things that happened, I know it's unfortunate for a lot of people, but it's actually just made a massive opportunity for affiliate marketing. You know, people are happier to buy online now. Like I was saying, most people, you know, they'd rather buy online. I mean, Christmas has just gone, and most people bought their presents online. Amazon, most people are online all the time. You know, Netflix, all this sort of stuff. We're more programmed to buying offline. In fact, we prefer to. We got a lot more guarantees. We got things like that. It's recorded a lot more. So this is why I think this is the most amazing and it's the best time, you know. So here's the question. Are you ready? Because 2021 is just around the corner. Are you ready to jump on board here? Are you ready to actually start making more money from this and actually, you know, actually give it a go? You've got nothing to lose. Even if you just want to have a look and watch this video, I'm going to give you the web address for a video that I want you to have a look at that will teach you everything about what I've just been talking about this last couple of minutes here. Teaching you about traffic, teaching you about that opt-in and what we call a value series, where you can build a relationship, where you get more sales. So your numbers will go up exponentially once you're very, very good at this. And it's not a difficult thing. You know, you mustn't just say to yourself, oh, I can't do this because of this, because of this. Have a look for yourself. It's not as hard as you think. And then, you know, teaching you ways to use video if you want, or use Bing, or use other traffic methods to get more traffic. Like we said, more traffic means more sales and more commissions for you. You know, so if you've ever wanted to actually use the internet to actually make a living from home, to actually make a living off your phone or off your computer, then there's a program I'd like you to have a look at. If you want to have a look for yourself, you know, there's my mentor. The person actually taught me all about this, and you know, he's an amazing teacher. This video, it's a free video you can have a look at here, if it you know, and it's up to you. But you have a look at the video, and it will teach you exactly what affiliate marketing is all about and where a lot of people are going wrong with affiliate marketing. If you've never tried affiliate marketing, then this is the best time, like I said, to start. If you've been doing it for a while and you haven't seen success, then I encourage you to have a look at this video as well. You'll probably see the reasons why you're going wrong, and it's a very few small little tweaks that once they're tweaked, you'll start to see the difference. Do you know? So anyway, so I want you to go now to www.empowermentteam.org/IM. Yes, IM. And you know, you just have a look for yourself. I'm going to leave that link below this video, so you know, rather than type it out, you can just click on that link and it will take you over to another free video that's going to teach you more about what we were talking about here, but really in depth, you know. But either way, listen, I do hope this helped a little bit. I hope you got some value from it. You know, I'm wishing you a really, really happy new year, hoping that 2021 is the absolute massive year for you. And you know, if you do have any questions, anything at all, then please don't hesitate, just leave it in the questions box below. If you did enjoy this and you want to subscribe to the channel, if you are over on YouTube, then you know, there'll be a subscribe button below. Just click on that and also tick on the bell icon, and you won't miss out on any stuff that I bring out in the future. All right, once again, thanks for listening. Till next time, you take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.